the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 versus Michelin CrossClimate 3. Both brand new, both equipped with the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, and both aiming to be the ultimate all-season tyre of 2025 and beyond. But which one truly delivers year-round confidence? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Tyre Review's all-season test. In wet braking, the Pirelli SF3 pulls ahead, stopping 3 meters shorter than the CrossClimate 3, which represents a 9% advantage. On the wet handling lap times, the SF3 completes the course 4.4 seconds faster. It also received a slightly better subjective rating, scoring 9.75 compared to CrossClimate 3's 9.5 in wet handling, and receives aquaplaning at a 3.4 km/h higher speed. In summary, the SF3 dominates wet performance. In snow braking, it's a dead heat. But in traction and snow handling, the CrossClimate 3 holds a slight lead, up to 2% faster lap times and quicker launches. Michelin edges out in snow, but it's close. When it comes to mileage, Michelin goes the distance. Based on auto-build data and CrossClimate 3 improvements, the Michelin is projected to last 70% longer than the Pirelli SF3. That's nearly 30,000 km of extra tread life. For longevity, the CrossClimate 3 is unmatched. Back on the dry tarmac, the Pirelli SF3 claws back with a 2 meter shorter braking distance than the CrossClimate 3, which corresponds to a 5% advantage. On the dry handling lap, it's 0.85 seconds quicker, or about 1% faster. Subjective handling, both feel equally confident with identical scores of 9.5 points. When it comes to noise, vibration and harshness, here's where Michelin pulls ahead again. It scores 4% better in comfort and 3% better in noise. With also a 4% lower rolling resistance, the CrossClimate 3 improves fuel efficiency and energy use. But all this comes at a cost. For the 225/40 R18 size, the CrossClimate 3 is about 25% more expensive than the SF3. In summary, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 offers unbeatable wet and dry grip at a solid price point. On the other hand, the Michelin CrossClimate 3 is a long-distance comfort king. It rides smoother, lasts longer, saves fuel, and offers a slight edge in snow.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.